with this look, I used multiple Coastal Scents palettes, and I used about 4 of them, but they are very, very affordable palettes, so I highly recommend them. They're very pigmented, they blend out very nicely, so let's get on with the eye look. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to put on is some tape. I want to have a nice clean look, so just apply that on the outer corner of your eye to your eyebrow there. All the palettes that I'll be using today are from Coastal Scents, and there's going to be about 3-4 palettes that I'm going to dip into. So the first one that I'll be going in is the Painted Lady. This will be the transition shade I'll be using. Next, I'll be picking up color with the Charlie Girl, and I'll be picking up this nice beautiful pink color right here using the Morphe M4433. I'm going to apply that just in my crease. Then I want to just blend that out using a clean brush. I like using a nice fluffy brush, and the one that I'm using is Morphe E28. The next palette that I'll be pulling color from is the Jolie Colibri right here, and I want to pick up this color here, and I also want to pick up this color here. And I'll be using the Morphe R39 brush and apply that on my crease. And just blend that out. There's a lot of blending with this eye look, so you just want to make sure you have enough time. Now I'm going to be going into the Creative Me palette, and I will be using this orange color here. Hopefully you can see it. This orange color here, and I'm going to apply that on the outer part, above the crease. Just enough to give it a little hint of color. In the same palette, I will be picking up this color right here, and I'm going to apply that on the entire lid. What I did do is I did take the Rainforest of the Sea spray mist, and I'm going to spray that onto my brush because it really helped deepen the blue. Oops, this moved. Stay put. Again, come on, stop. I'm just gonna put another tape on there because this is just not working here. Okay, so now that you applied the blue, we're gonna go in with one of the purple colors in the same palette, and this is the one I'll be picking up. Just gonna apply that over the blue. You'll see that this will deepen very nicely into a nice deep bluish purplish color. Don't worry about this, we're gonna really blend this out, so don't worry, this is not how we're gonna leave it. Now going in with the brush that I used before, I'm just going to use whatever product I have there, and I'm just going to blend out the purple so that it blends in seamlessly with the other color. These are such beautiful colors. I am really loving the colors that I chose. It's just beautiful and stunning. Okay, going back in with the Painted Lady, I'm going to be picking up this beautiful blue right here. I'm going to apply that on the center of my lid just to kind of give it a beautiful hint of blue. And I'll be using my finger just because I get better payoff here. As you can see how pigmented this color is. It's just very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? And look, there's still product on my finger. It's just amazing. Just amazing. Okay, if you feel you need to blend it out, you are more than welcome to. And that way it just, there's no harsh lines and it's just beautiful. Perfect. Okay, so I was sent a palette, a glitter palette by Candy for Beauty or Candy for Trendy, and I am really, really loving this palette. I feel like this is the star of the show just because the colors of the glitters are just stunning and beautiful. So I am going to be picking up, and I'll show you just at a glance the colors that I got from this company, and it was just so amazing that I was just ecstatic when it finally came in. So I will be picking up this glitter here. It's just a beautiful blue, and I believe it'll go very well with my eye look here. So you just need a tiny bit, because a little bit goes a long way, which is, you can see this. I'm just going to apply that on my lid, if you can see. Just beautiful, just beautiful. I am loving this glitter. Do you see that? It is beautiful, and it's not like it's a Vaseline type of glitter that they add to it. It really is just a beautiful formula. It's just a wonderful formula that they have, and it's just it stays put. I didn't need to put glitter glue. I will finish my eye look with eyeliner and my falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I put my falsies on, I am going to be going in with the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner, and this is a very beautiful shimmery blue, a metallic blue. So I'm going to apply that on my waterline. Going in with the same flat brush that I used to apply the purple on my lid. I'm going to apply some more purple, but I am going to only focus from the inner to the outer part of my eye, just to kind of give it that beautiful purpley look. Just like that. Now there was a little fallout, but that's okay. I'm just going to brush that off. Now I'm going to go in with their Real Mascara and just apply some mascara on the bottom lash. Okay, so there is my look. I hope you liked it. I hope that it's something that you could recreate, and if you plan on recreating it, please comment down below. I would love to see how you recreated it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So we'll see you next time. Ciao.